Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. How to enable web services in Windows 10. How to enable IIS in Windows 10. It is very simple and very easy. Let's start to it. First, you need to press Windows and R and type there appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Now you can click on Windows features on and off. Then you need to select Internet Information Services. Click that and press OK. This will take some time. Now you can close it, open any web browser and type there localhost and hit enter. Now you can see this page. It is indicating your IIS is activated. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.